friends, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Gmail account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To delete your Gmail account, go to your web browser and type in accounts.google.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, and from the home screen, click on Privacy and Personalization. Scroll down and find Download, Delete or Make a Plan for your data. Click on Delete a service or your account. From the options displayed, click on Delete your account. Now, to delete your account, you'll need to verify that it is you who's deleting the account. Type in your password to verify. Click on the Next button. Go through the information once. If you want to download your data before deleting your account, click on Download your data. Deleting your Google account means that you'll lose all the data and content like emails, files, calendars, and photos. You won't be able to use Google services with your account once it is deleted, and you'll lose all the access to subscription and content you bought with the account. Click on the box, and after you're done, click on Delete Account. Now your Google account and all its data have been deleted. In case you accidentally deleted your Google account, you'll have a short amount of time to try to recover it. You can go to Account Support in order to cancel the deletion. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, feel free to comment down below in the comment box and go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I hope you found the video useful to you. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.